In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get test and live Stripe API keys from your Stripe account. We'll go through this step by step so you can quickly find the keys you need for your application. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and click on Sign In. You'll now be taken to the login page. Enter the email address and password associated with your Stripe account. Double-check your credentials to avoid any login issues, then click Sign In. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard. From here, navigate to the Home section if it's not already selected. Next, look for Developers in the menu. This is where all technical settings are managed. Click on Developers to continue. Inside the Developers section, select API Keys. This will open the page where Stripe displays your API credentials. Here, you'll see both your Test API keys and Live API keys. Test keys are used for development and testing, while Live keys are used for real financial transactions and production environments. These keys allow your application to authenticate and communicate securely with Stripe's servers. Be especially careful with your Live API keys, as they provide access to real financial transactions. To copy a key, simply click the Copy icon next to it. Make sure to store your keys securely. Using a password manager or a secure configuration file is highly recommended. And that's it. You've successfully located and copied your Test and Live Stripe API keys. By following these steps, your application is now ready to connect securely with Stripe. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher.